katiba ni kubadilisha uchumi. Na tukibadilisha uchumi, mpango yetu ya kwanza tunaweka pesa bilioni 100 kupanga ajira ya hawa vijana. Tunaweka pesa kwa agroprocessing, value addition, manufacturing, mambo ya housing, ndio vijana hawa wapate ajira, wajisimamie, walipe ushuru, wajenge taifa lao, ndio Kenya iweze kwenda mbele. Ama mnasemaje watu wa Mombasa? Mnakubali tubadilishe uchumi kwanza? Mnasema tubadilishe uchumi kwanza? Tupange ajira ya hawa vijana. Jambo la pili, tunasema kazi ni kazi. Na tumesema tunaweka pesa ya serikali mwaka huu. Mimi nimekuja uwanja huu, nimefanya harambee ya kina mama. Nimekuja uwanja huu, nimefanya harambee ya bodaboda. Hapa Kisii nimefanya harambee za bodaboda karibu vikundi 20 ya bodaboda nimefanyia harambee hapa Kisii. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Na nimefanya hiyo harambee kwa sababu naelewa biashara ya mwananchi wa kawaida. Mpaka mulisikia ule mzee wa kitendawili akaanza kulalamika ati huyu Ruto anatoa wapi pesa? Sijui amepatia bodaboda, sijui amepatia mama mboga. Mimi nataka niwaambie watu wa Kisii na nimwambie mzee wa kitendawili, wacha kulalamika milioni 2 ati bodaboda wamepatiwa. Sijui milioni 2 na mama mboga wamepatiwa. Milioni 2 ni pesa kidogo. Mwaka huu tunaweka bilioni 50 pesa ya serikali kwa biashara ya hao watu wa chini hao.
Najivunia sana nikiwa hapa Kisii kwa sababu nilianzia kazi yangu hapa Kisii nikiwa kama hakimu, na tumekuja hapa kuwaomba watu wetu wa Kisii, lazima tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 tufurushe hii serikali ambayo haijali maisha ya mwananchi.
Mancho murigereria gingos kamutu ase orobotironde nigongo kumanyibuna eserekari gwetera ewizara yobochenu nigegendete kwenana amariogo yogoita ebianda ase abana b'emyaka ebere egati y'emyaka ebere goika 14 emoroberio yo nigogendete gokorekana ase chi county abo ase chi skuru choboroso chigendete konyora amarioga yo imeye county ya Kisii nigo abariki beito banyara kwa bagoika chinsemecho abase banyara kwa bagotarera eskuru yoboroso ya St. Pius Preparatory nagotwariganiri oroboti rokubwatia oroboti ro ase obwagare no moriketo Steven Ndemo.
Asama tankor ko Grace Komboka, Public Health Officer, Nyakoe Ward, ente netamane mangana nsemo che skuru. So far, twatware sesi ya deworming, ya koruyali, kero mwaka kesi skuru chionsi, either private or public schools. And before the exercise, tutokora training. Like now in Kisii County, tutawate training exercise kisa balimu. First we train the trainers and then we train balimu. It was on 7th and 8th within Kitutu Church sub-county. Tukakora training, tukadistribute mariogo, tukabudisa abalimu na kitogo chibakora. In every school, abalimu ibagocha, baba trained a health teacher and a head teacher depending on the number of students wabwate kere school. Kere babere trained bakobundisuna bagocha. So in Kisii County, we were having the distribution of the exercise of the deworming on the 15th. That is today, whereby we go to every school. Kere skuru kero mwana akoego, lakini tuwate exception ya bali batari koego. In case mwana karwalete tari koego teterecho akobwena kera bwenire onye exercise yako yerire ogere to the nearest health facility onyara koego eliogo na bali babwate any other underlying problem bali koego marioga aju. So first school twatare the exercise ya chiyo biya ntaranyora any complaint, and we are hoping for 100 or past 101% on the exercise of the deworming. Etokonya abana be skuru egere mbanyora absenteeism kuru skuru banyara kobera eskuru kosomba bia
Serieta Nyata Bernard mwalimu ku St. Pius igobono kere serikali ya Kenya yamuhete koleta ntetere yo guduomo abana kagete nekerengelike yabwati dande onye abange babo bono bakumis ko kutoke school because of those worms bono chiwomze jino chiturige tiko chikonya at least abana bakoreki abana wanabairane babere school. Attendance imekuwa poor because of those worms.
Togosoa ase ebirundo bya siasa nigongo komanyibuna oyo korwanirira ekirugo kyobora ibwense gwetera ekiama gya UDA oyo manyekanite muna Dr. William Ruto niganyarire ko bakagotarera abamenyi bekinsemo eryogo yakera ekokona kwene kibuna obeire omorayo gatano bwense ritukorie igoro niganyate ko bagakumirana n'abanyabiasara ba mitumba abo ase akwanete nabarabo cinchera baranyare ko bakwegendereria elikwenyorera engeri yabo yakera lituko asege kekyo niganyate ko bagakoma mochi omuminanio ye oyo manyekanite muna Raila Odinga asengwana yae ya mitumba asechinga kechyo ari kokora manifesto yae yogosiorigwa oroboti urwasobwagari.
Kazi ya serikali sio kukuja na kucriminalize biashara yako, hapana. Kazi ya serikali ni kuinua hiyo biashara yako, badala ya wewe kupata shilingi 200 upate 500. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Na ndio tumesema hapa kama Kenya Kwanza ya kwamba tunataka hatua yetu ya pili ni kutengeneza hazina maalum ambayo itapatia pesa wafanyabiashara wale wako chini, wale wako bottom, wale wanatengeneza shilingi 50, 100, wakibahatika 200 kwa siku. Tunataka kwa mapenzi ya Mungu waanze kupata shilingi 500 ama 1000 kwa siku.
Asekerekyo omoraibe kiamagian Amani National Congress Musalia Mudavadi nigona boigo bagendereti etara yabo asebarenge chinsemo cha Embakasi asebagendereta gweyakera ekoko asokoene kibuna banyare ko bakonyora obubui chinga kechiga torigereti obochori obonene Musalia Mudavadi niganyate ko bagakoraga engwana wese orobotirwa nyara ko barogosokigwa ase obwangoiga asatebete muna ewizara ya ICT nigo yanyare ko bageko kigukotwara obokurumi boigo asege kekyo nigo oyokoronera ekero kyobo governor ime county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja niganyate ko bagakwegerera ase amasakarae anyare ko bakagotuguterwa are nekyombegia IEBC bona nigo anyate ko bagakwenekeri abamenye benseme yobuna nigo arachikorwanirira ekero gekyo na nigo arachikwena na oboene ase okwegerera asorobotyuru.
Wizara moja peke yake Auditor General ametoa hesabu yake, ameonyesha kwamba wizara ya ICT, yule jamaa anasema anajua mambo ya teknolojia, amefuja ama wizara yake imefuja bilioni 12.5.
Wadosi wamekaa mahali wanasema kijana wa mtu kawaida hawezi kuwa gavana wa Nairobi. Si mnaona wananiandama, wananiekea makesi. Mimi nimesoma, niko na makaratasi na najua Mwenyezi Mungu atatushikilia, tutafaulu. Nitakuwa kwa hiyo debe ya kuwa governor wa Nairobi City County. Sasa nyinyi mtachaguliwa governor wenu ama nyinyi ndio mtaamua? Yule ambaye ataamua governor ni wananchi wa kawaida ama ni wale mabosi? Sinisi
Togwenda ase orobotirunde nigongo komanyibuna eserikari gekobwatirana nekyombegia NCIC nigo kegenderete omorobelio bokoene kibuna bokoene ki amangana na boigo yogosegeta chibura buru ase NCT ya Kenya anyarire ko bakagoika omoerio omorobelio yo nigo konyara ko bakogokorekana ase omochi o Nairobi aya nigo agocha magega yeliberera lya siasa koene kigu ase NCT ya Kenya.
It is my distinct pleasure to welcome you, and later on you will see our 4-way launch of HateLex. That's the one. The second one is the action plan against the hate speech. Then we have the documentary on hate speech, which is dubbed The Tongues of War, and the hate speech monitoring tool. These 4 stages that you went through your leadership are what you have come to launch this morning. And I would like to welcome all of us here later on to also go through these 4 stages, because that's what explains what this process is all about. It is a fact that we started the year by declaring that we will deliver on the elections bila norma, the roadmap. That is what really we are committed to, and this is an important milestone within this roadmap. We have come a long way, and we have achieved a lot, and we are happy to report that we are well on our way to having a norma-free election come this August 9th. The launch of these 4 items is just more arrows in our quiver, if you will. And let me say that in this process, we have also seen the importance of working with the various stakeholders, and one of which I must say that is with the people who are represented by Mandosho, who was here, who spoke, and I only could understand, like the Chief Justice, elections bila norma. The rest of it was more than Greek to me.
Mwancho morigereria korwa asorobati rogo siorigwa komorovelio nigo nakorire Amayia ase chinse chiga korende to basagoska to basakonyegera ayuna mange ngo yanyorole chinsa ikomigoro igoro ase chinse mochiri cha Facebook na bogoto bwatia ase Ndizi TV News na boigo ase chinse mochiri cha YouTube onyare ko bakogo subscribe ase Ndizi TV News ase chinse mochibi orokererio tanyako to kubwatrana nere Joshua Auta Eretariane Frida Kerubo.